Could you talk a little bit more about what you see as the advantages of telehealth?
Sure. Definitely one of the biggest advantages is as far as transportation goes. Not have to actually go down and drive to that doctor's office or physician's office. It depends on how the facilities are. Sometimes it's confusing. Then you got to deal with traffic and parking. And another great aspect of it is childcare. I didn't realize I don't have any children. I just have a couple of nephews that I love very much, but I never factor in the fact that childcare is so expensive now. And every time you have a doctor's appointment, you have to either take off of work or find somebody to take care of your child. And you combine that with the driving, as I spoke with, telehealth has made all that virtually disappear. You're just able to hop on your computer real quick and say, "Hey, it's made a lot of interesting appointments," according to some of the physicians I've talked to, seeing kids in the background and they get to meet the children and stuff like that. But it really helped out a lot because the cost tremendously, especially when you're talking about the time during the pandemic. A lot of people were out of work, saving that gas money, saving that money on childcare, and just the anxiety of traffic alone. It really helped out. So I think that's something that was a great advantage to it. Um, it also seems like appointments didn't take as long. You didn't have as much times like when you go to the regular doctor's office, they get behind and you're sitting in the waiting room and things like that. I just know it just seemed a little bit easier and a little streamless the way we're doing this process with the telehealth. I rarely had to wait more than 5 minutes for any of my appointments, or I usually just got the message right away. Okay, your physician's ready. I'm assuming that's because there are different things with people showing up late or either filling out paperwork and things like that. All that's eliminated pretty much with the telehealth because everything's done beforehand. And like I said, you're not driving in anywhere. So that's another thing that seemed as a pretty nice advantage to me. I was able to get them done quickly. And my therapist mentioned the same thing. She was able to see more patients this way. And so was my primary care physician. So that's definitely one of the great advantages I think of it.